Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I am Chef Christy, and you know what time it is. It is time to cook, and today I have the perfect appetizer for you. I'm going to be making a buffalo chicken roll-up bite. I know, buffalo chicken is so delicious. We're always going to parties and family gatherings this time of year, and we're looking for something to take somewhere, and this one is perfect. It is quick. It is easy. Everyone loves them. So let me go over these ingredients with you and show you just how to make these delicious buffalo chicken roll-up bites. You will need 1 can of crescent rolls, and then you'll need a can of chicken, and this is a 12.5-ounce can. And then 2 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of a hot sauce, 3/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and then I like to add some of this dry ranch seasoning mix. So my cream cheese is at room temperature. Add that to a mixing bowl and then add my cheese. Then I'm going to add my chicken. Now I have drained off all the water and squeezed out as much as I could. I'm going to add my hot sauce. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of this ranch seasoning mix. All right, so I'm going to unroll my crescent rolls. And I'm just going to leave them in a long triangle. All right, I'm going to pinch these seams together. Okay, then bake these in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes. And I like to dip my buffalo chicken bites in ranch dressing, but you could use blue cheese if you wanted. You make these, they're definitely going to be the hit of a party. They are fabulous. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a fantastic day and a very Merry Christmas. God bless, and I will see you soon with more recipes.